12 things to do to survive if you're broke in Nigeria. In the streets of Nigeria, survival is a daily battle. Prices climb, opportunities shrink, and dreams often collide with harsh reality. For millions, being broke is not just a moment. It is a lifestyle they are desperate to escape. But in every struggle, there are strategies, hidden paths that lead from survival to success. This is not just an advice, it's a blueprint. Moves that can help you survive and bounce back stronger. These are the 12 things to do to survive if you are broke in Nigeria. And your comeback starts now. Number 1. Don't look like your situation. In Nigeria, packaging is survival. No matter how tough things are, don't go around broadcasting that you are broke. If you move around looking scattered, people will take you less seriously and opportunities will slip away. Keep yourself neat, smell fresh, stay sharp, and carry confidence even if your wallet is dry. Looking good doesn't always mean spending big, but it does mean respecting yourself. In Nigeria, the way you present yourself can open doors before your words even do. Number 2. Make lifestyle changes. When you are broke in Nigeria, discipline is your best friend. Cut down unnecessary expenses. If you don't need it, don't buy it. That pepper soup joint can wait. Airtime doesn't need to finish in one night, and data must be managed wisely. Living within your means is not punishment, it's strategy. The little you save today can stretch tomorrow. Broke seasons test your discipline, but smart lifestyle changes make sure you're ready when better days come. Number 3. Stop begging, start serving. In Nigeria, constant begging can weaken your dignity. Don't turn friends or family into ATMs. Instead, ask how you can help. Wash their car, run errands, assist with business, or even handle chores they're too busy for. It may not bring millions, but that small pay is better than waiting for free handouts. Service builds trust, respect, and open doors. Remember, in Nigeria, people value hustle. Work, no matter how small, it always speaks louder than begging. Number 4. Survival over comfort. When you are broke in Nigeria, survival must come before comfort. Forget pride. This is not the time to wait for perfect jobs. Take up whatever small work you can find. Run a POS stand, do deliveries, sell snacks in traffic, or hawk water if you must. Every hustle keeps you moving forward. Comfort will come later, but today the goal is simple. Stay alive, keep pushing, and never let pride stop you from putting food on your table. Survival is the goal. Number 5. Stay connected with movers and shakers. In Nigeria, connections can change your story faster than certificates. Who you know often opens doors before what you know. Stay in touch with people doing better than you, mentors, friends, even old classmates. That WhatsApp group you ignore might hold the very opportunity you are praying for. Opportunities rarely knock at random. They usually come through people. So keep your network alive, be visible, and position yourself where doors are opening. In Nigeria, relationships are currency. Number 6. Upgrade yourself. When you are broke in Nigeria, one of the smartest things you can do is to upgrade yourself. Free resources are everywhere. YouTube tutorials, online courses, podcasts, and even ebooks. You don't need a dime to start. Learn a new skill, sharpen an old one, and make yourself more valuable. The more knowledge and ability you have, the more opportunities you can attract. Being broke today doesn't stop you from preparing for the success that's coming tomorrow. The more skilled you are, the more valuable you become. Number 7. Stay optimistic. Keep pushing. Nigeria can be tough, no doubt, but losing hope is not an option. When you are broke, it's easy to feel stuck. Yet, every rejection moves you closer to the opportunity that will change your story. Stay optimistic, no matter how dark the days seem. Wake up each morning, show up with determination, and keep pushing forward. Hope is free, effort is powerful, and together they create the resilience you need to break out of struggle. Wake up, show up, and keep pushing. Number 8. Sell what you don't need. When you are broke in Nigeria, look around your home. You're probably sitting on cash without realizing it. That old phone you don't use, those extra shoes, even the generator gathering dust, they all have value. Instead of letting them waste, turn them into money. Platforms like Gigi, Facebook Marketplace, and even local markets make selling easy. Clutter becomes cash, and small cash can cover transport, food, or bills. Don't overlook the simple solutions right in front of you. Number 9. Learn to cook cheap and smart. Being broke in Nigeria doesn't mean you have to eat poorly. Food can be simple, affordable, and still keep you strong. Learn to cook budget-friendly meals like beans, okra soup, vegetables, noodles, or the classic gari and groundnut. These dishes save money, stretch longer, and give you the energy you need to keep hustling. Eating smart is not just about filling your stomach, it's about managing resources wisely so you can survive today and prepare for tomorrow. Number 10. Watch your circle. When you are broke in Nigeria, the people around you matter more than you think. If your friends only want to flex, gist, and waste time, they will drain you and keep you stuck. Cut off the distractions. Instead, stay close to those who challenge you to hustle, plan, and level up. The right circle inspires growth, creates opportunities, and keeps you focused. Remember, your circle can either hold you down or lift you higher. Choose wisely. Number 11. Think long-term, not just daily. Being broke today doesn't mean you shouldn't think about tomorrow. Survival is important, but planning ahead is what leads to a real breakthrough. Even saving as little as 100 naira daily adds up over time. Small, consistent steps create big changes. Don't just focus on today's struggles. Look at the future you want and start building towards it. When you think long-term, every little effort becomes an investment in a better, stronger tomorrow. Think beyond today's survival and build towards tomorrow's breakthrough. Number 12. Create something. When you are broke in Nigeria, don't just sit back scrolling and consuming. Create something. Start a small hustle. Learn tailoring. Try freelancing online or make content that showcases your talent. Nigerians are some of the most creative people in the world, and that creativity can put food on your table. Every business, every brand, every idea started small. Use what you have, where you are, and build something that can grow beyond your present situation. In the end, being broke in Nigeria is not the end of the story. It's just a chapter. It's a test, a fire that forges strength and resilience. What you do during this time determines your next chapter. But remember, greatness often begins in scarcity. These 12 steps are not just survival tips, they are the roadmap for your comeback. Naija no dey carry last.